Make a great choice today with the 2019 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, autonomous braking, rear view camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.